21st century learning skills via setting up STEM labs and encourages learning by doing. Stay tuned for the video.
Can't predict how the world will shape up, but skills like reasoning or critical thinking, they are going to be important. And along with the help of technology like AI or coding, in terms of artificial intelligence, whether you become a legal expert, an accountant, or statisticians, all professions would be requiring it alike. But this requirement cannot come along with the stress and high and extensive screen time. We technically take it ahead from those passive conjunctions to actually going for creation and understanding that what goes behind Alexa, Google, and much more. When Troot was conceptualized, we had in our minds that currently close to 50,000 jobs were lying vacant because of the shortage of quality talent. And 9 out of 10 fastest growing occupations in the world would be requiring scientific skills. That was we aware of. So, but our aim was to inculcate EQ and play along with this training from a very young age. So, these story-based interactions and personal availability of kids to actually solve problems was to get future generations empathetic about challenges around them and ensure they ethically use tech to solve these. With AI training in Troot, we have seen kids making products like mask detectors in COVID times, which ensure that we are raising future citizens that are sensitive and responsible.